We're here today for some tips and tricks. So first on the list is going to be screenshots. So we get to where you want to take a screenshot. Command, Shift, and 4 will give us some crosshairs. Then we just click and drag, and whatever's in that box is going to be a screenshot. You let go, you will hear it, and you'll see in the bottom right corner indicating that you have done a screenshot. Second on the list, say that you have problems finding a file or a program or a contact. Command space will open up Spotlight, and you can start typing in, and as you type it in, it will populate for you and make things easier to find. Like I said, that works with apps, contacts, anything on the computer, it finds it. Very good. Next, if you have a laptop or an external trackpad, 3-finger up will give you a bird's eye view of everything that's opened, and you can do 3-finger left and right because you can have multiple desktops open. So, for example, my mail, you'll notice there's no dock. This is full screen, which makes it a lot easier to see everything. So rather than have a bunch of small windows like this, we can do 3 fingers up, or if we just click the green, it'll make it full screen. And now you can do 3-finger left, 3-finger right, and you can flip through like channels. Next on the list is copy and paste. So say, for example, we want to send somebody this tracking number. Highlight it, Command and C will copy it. And then if you want to send it in a message, for example, we can just Command and V, and there it is. And if you do something by accident, you can also Command and Z. Z as in zebra, that will undo. Also, if you are in a Pages document, we can say we want to move something from one line to the other, or in an email or anything. If you highlight, Command and X is cut, and then you can place that wherever you want, even in a different program, email, anything, Command and V, paste. And then if you say oopsie daisy, Command and Z will undo and get you back to where you were. So I think that's it for today. Please subscribe, leave some comments down below. We would love to hear any feedback whatsoever. Any ideas of anything you would like to see, let us know and we'll do our best to get it done. Have a great day and a good night.